Hi there, it's Dan from the Aquacut group. So today I'm just going to talk you through a vanity cladding unit that I've been working on the last couple of days. So what we have here is 10mm porcelain tile which has been water jet cut to size and we have mitered and bonded it to create a double sink vanity unit. So as you can see here, we have mitered and bonded it so that the vein runs right through the tile and right through and across the full length of the unit. So we've also water jet cut what will be for the piping, for the sinks to sit on both sides, his and her sinks, and your tap holes as well.
So here we've got the underneath of the vanity unit, Dan, and we can see that we've actually followed the veins in the porcelain through to the underside as well. An excellent piece of work. It'll be, I'm sure the client will be absolutely delighted with it.